on to him and let me unreel this.
You're gonna make me do this?
Yeah.
You're gonna die.
You're gonna have to stand there.
Oh, come on, be a man.
Did you empty your bladder first?
Metal shavings.
No, there's gonna be clean
Hang
up.
on, don't do anything.
Metal hope for the metal shavings.
Tim, take me out, bro. Come here.
Heck no.
He's got the camera.
Yeah, I've got a camera. I'm recording you. I'm
Together.
recording this.
Why am I doing this? Okay, so now that's shorted. Okay.
Oh!
Boom.
That would really suck, dude.
That would probably honestly just
Well, there's no electrical source. How would it go off?
Hang on,
Static.
hang on.
All right, so here's our battery. Okay.
Hang on.
Just a 9-volt. Hang on, get your cameras ready.
I'm already recording.
I gotta get rid of that.
Okay. There's one connection. 3, well, hopefully this was turned in under warranty for whatever reason. We'll see if it goes. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Woo! That was a lot louder than I thought it would be.
Yeah, did a rock hit you too?
Yeah.
That was big boy toy.
That was a lot louder than I thought it'd be. Holy
So
moly.
that was the side bag. Now it's hot. We're not going to be messing with it.
That was the small one.
They're hooked together, and the battery is
Further away.
in my pocket. All right.
Still gonna happen.
Oh, this one scares me though.
Shorted.
Shorted.
Oh, I just realized we're launching it metal side up. Oh boy. This is gonna go high. This is gonna go.
Oh, what? You guys are backing up? Let's move up. We're getting stuff back up.
Oh, he's got one of the old desks. Maybe he needs to get rid of it.
Yeah, we gotta get it in frame.
Oh yeah, can we put it on the desk and see
No.
if it explodes?
All right, hooking up one terminal of the battery.
You gotta cover the face though, you know?
3, 2, 1. He yanked the wires
Tim,
out
go
of my
touch it.
hands.
Okay.
Somebody lick it, please.
That would
Ooh, smell that. Smell that.
What?
Whoa. Oh yeah, smell. Oh yeah, smoke that. I swear, officer, I'm not doing drugs.
Oh my god, that stinks.
Yeah.
How hot is it, baby?
You don't notice.
The bag was kind of warm at first. You can touch it.
Look at that. This color.
That's actually not that hot. Although the metal part's on the back is gonna be hot.
Tim, no, they said the metal part's fine. You can touch the metal part.
Oh, you can't.
No, you can't.
it's the
Oh, you can!
plastic part you can't touch. Because the plastic is so
Pat, I was
light,
just-
it'll
I
melt
was
to-
just
it'll melt to your
joking.
hand. You know? You know with your hands, you know
my
the plastic you melt to your hands. You touch the metal. Touch the metal,
Well,
not
look
the
at
plastic. It
powder
won't
in
melt
there.
to your
I wouldn't
hand.
Yeah, that
Sitting there
makes
letting
sense.
it all
Physics.
flow in your face. That shit
But
causes
now-
cancer.
Your hand might melt to the metal.
I want to see the other one too.
What is this one?
I'll go ahead and try it. See, touch it. See if it's hot. It's not.
Oh, that's not hot at all. Okay, it's not hot at all.
The holes on this one.
I think it ripped out.
Maybe.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I think that's
Yeah,
a rip.
ripped.
I don't think that's supposed to be there.
Effective.
Yeah,
no, no, look, it was a hole.
it is a hole.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
just ripped out.
Here's another one. Or, no, not another one.
That doesn't seem very big.
That might be why they warrantied it.
It's just for the shoulder, I think. So this is a passenger side.
Yeah.